Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salad Nigerian style. Chop vegetables into uniform pieces and chill all ingredients before assembling. Start with crisp lettuce and cabbage, add diced cucumber, carrot, and sweet corn for color. Fold in diced boiled eggs and baked ham or chicken for protein. Dress lightly with mayonnaise, a touch of mustard, salt, and black pepper to taste, then chill before serving for best flavor. Prep proteins ahead to save time and keep textures right for the salad. Boil eggs until firm, cool, peel, and dice into even pieces. Dice cooked chicken or ham into small, bite-sized pieces so every forkful has protein. Mix these with drained sweet corn and chilled vegetables. Keep everything cold and assemble gently to avoid crushing ingredients. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving for balanced flavors. Make a balanced dressing to tie the salad together without overpowering fresh ingredients. Whisk mayonnaise with a small spoon of mustard, a splash of lemon juice, and a pinch of sugar for subtle brightness. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper, then taste and adjust. Fold the dressing gently into the chilled salad components until evenly coated. Garnish with chopped spring onions or parsley for a fresh herbal finish before serving on a chilled plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.